How to make a group on Instagram. What's up everybody, welcome to another Instagram video tutorial. This is Amir Khan, you are watching and Right Tech YouTube channel. In this Instagram video tutorial today I'm going to show you guys how to make a group on Instagram. So without spending more time, let's get started. First of all guys, you just need to open an Instagram app that you have already installed. So guys, if you want to add a new Instagram group, so you just need to first of all tap on this direct message icon, and then guys tap on a plus icon. You will see a lot of friends that you have already follow or someone follow you on Instagram. So if you want to add a group, so you just need to first of all select a member that you want to add into your group. So I want to select multiple people, so these are the members in my group. So after selecting a member, so you just need to write any message that you want to send. So after sending a message, you just need to write down the group name. So guys, as you see, I have written some title in my groups. If I tap on a done, so you will be see. So guys, as you see, the new group is created on my Instagram account. So this is very simple way to create a group on Instagram, and I hope you enjoy this video. And if you get more videos regarding Instagram, so you just need to subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.